Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.
In this video, we will talk about why should you start creating content if you are any business owner. It doesn't matter which business you are in, maybe you are in automotive, maybe you are in healthcare, maybe you are in fitness, maybe you are in any manufacturing, any business. Small, big, medium enterprise, whatever it may be, but why content creation should be your prime focus, if not now but later. And I will also tell you why this content creation strategy is becoming much more popular right now in upcoming days. So the first thing is, if you have heard of data is the new oil. So when we talk about data, it's not only the personal data we are talking about, we are also talking about the content. Content is also a form of data in terms of images or text or videos or whatever. So if you are creating content, that means that you will be having a reach for your company. People will be getting to know about you. People will be getting to know what type of product and services you have. So that is how the data will be increasing, or your content will be increasing for your company, and that is how people will be getting to know. Your reach will be increasing. That is one type of way where you can enhance your reach, enhance your customer base, and without a lot of efforts. Okay. And the second thing is, you can use the content for your marketing. So when I say content marketing, that is also a type of strategy. If you have heard of macro to micro content conversion, that means if you are having a master stroke content, or if you are having a complete package of the content, that can be split into different pieces, maybe into textual part, or maybe into images, or your maybe social media post, or whatever it may be. There are many type of content, and that content can be used for marketing your product and services across different platforms. That is how you will be getting to know about content marketing, and your products and services will be widespread, and it will enhance the reach of your products and services. If you go for third point, it is educating your customer. So when you say about content making, so if you know right now, before you see 2 to 3 decades, customers were not so much educated before getting your product. If somebody wants to buy some product, they would just go to the store or any market, or they used to go to the person who has that product, and they used to just give the product or take the product. But right now, in this era of digitalization, almost everything is available in internet. If you want to know about any product, you can go to the e-commerce store, you can go to YouTube, you can go to any kind of blogs, you can read about it, you can go to Quora and see the reviews of people, what is the product, how is the service, what are the different type of brands. So before getting any product, almost 99% of the customers are well educated, they know about the product very well. So educating your customer through content is very crucial if you are having any kind of business. Okay. So after that comes, if you are having the content properly, you will be having a unique stand. So for example, you are a tire manufacturing company. There are many tire manufacturing companies prevailing in the world, but how will you be different? How will you be unique? In this case, if you are having certain content strategy, if you are having some marketing strategy, and you are having a good content which you are giving to people, you are educating people, you are educating them not only on the tires, but also how to use it judiciously, how to take care of it, how to maintain the health of the tire. All these things, if you are educating the customer, obviously the product may be same, but your stand will be different. So in that case, educating the customer and getting a proper stand in the marketplace is very crucial. So in that case, content will be very, very helpful. Okay. Other than that, if you are having content based strategy, if you are having people to make the content, or if you are alone, if you are a small business owner and you are making the content alone, in that case, it is possible that apart from the people seeing your content, there will be many people who are related to your niche, who are related to your type of product and services what you are providing. In that case, you can have a greater collab, you can have a greater community of people who are in this industry, plus you can have a greater community of customer base, which you can do in any type of social media platforms or any other physical platforms too. So it is also beneficial in terms of your collaboration, your network, your work. All these things are possible. Okay, so I told you about the content strategy, why it is useful if you are a small business owner. So if you are having any kind of small business, any kind of business which you are going to start, or if you are planning to start any business, beforehand you can start creating content that will create a brand value of you, not only of you, of your company, of your products and services, and that will enhance your reach, and that is very much profitable for you, as people will get to know. And without any marketing strategies, without any proper investment, you will be able to enhance your reach.